Hey you guys, how are you? Welcome to my YouTube channel with my 63 subscribers. Welcome guys, let's go and arrange the fridge. Now we have to remove these Mavitos that last time. We removed them. There's the cabbage. This is cabbage. This is mashiri. Tulikuwa tujamaliza. This is it. And then this is mandimu, lemon, and mapilipili. Mapilipili for cooking. And yeah, there's our fridge. Now hii tunaiweka hapa because haijaisha. Yeah. Now guys, we have to arrange these. This is our shopping. We want to arrange it in our fridge. Tutaanza na nini? Tutaanza na these tomato. Wow, they're so cute. They're so, but these, maybe we have to wash it first, or yeah, we can put it that later. Tunaweza ika baadaye. So let's open this. Let's open this. Is mashiri and mabenda. How do they call in English? I don't know in English. In costs, watu wa cost wanaita mabenda. I don't know how it's called here. Mabenda. Another mabenda. And the cucumber. Oh, yeah, cucumber. Mishiri, forgot another one. And here is the carrots. Nitwaje? How do they call this? I don't know. This is pilipili, the paper. Now, let's arrange here. You know, in this fridge here, kuna kukana a lot. Juu kuna kuangana, sijui kuna kuangana baridi mingi ya maji. I don't know. Juu kiko kwa hivyo, hizi zitatani kwa maji kesho. And then, yeah. I don't know how to arrange well. There. And also mabenda we put here. Yeah, I don't know if you will see because where. Jishikia simu mwenyewe. Then those zinaitwa aje. Nimesahau vile zinaitwa. Then the cucumber. Then our carrots there. Now, this is the machungwa. The apple. Oh, I need to share apple. But I want to share here. Yeah. So this one, we can fix it here. Hey, so hi. Now we put here. This is, what do you call this in English? It's called saumu. Huh? I don't know the name. Saumu. We clean here first. You see, we remove this one for the last time. This one, so that all the dirt can go down. You see, yeah, like this. Then this one is for, we return there. We remove this here so that we can, this one, see, so that you can keep here clean. Yeah, it's, I think Now it's good like that. This one it's used, and I think it's wrong to cut it. According to my someone used to tell me, don't cut the onion like this and then use another time. I don't know if it's true or wrong. I don't know. You'll tell me. Yeah, you see, you have to clean after arranging everything. You have to clean now everywhere. Yeah. Now here we put here the potatoes. The potatoes we put here with this garlic. Yeah, it's called garlic. Yeah, here, like that. Yeah, it's good now. Wait. Now in this coming here we put things like this. Let's arrange like this. Now we have to put here the new one. So this is the old one. Have to look the expiry date. I don't see the expiry date. They've written in Arabic. I don't see, but yeah, it's here. It's still good. Now this one is new. You put down so that next time you will use this one. This one not old. And then this because we have some 4. Put up, then this, then that. Yeah, at least it's good. Like it's good looking. Like here. Yeah, this one. It's tomato paste. You see, like that. Yeah. And also this one is for cooking. So put I don't know if it will close. Yeah, it will close. Put here. Let's see if it will close. No, it will not close. Put this way. This way. Like that, just like that, because that's the only option. We have another tomato paste here. Another tomato paste here. No, this is for just excuse my English. Now we will use this the old one first. We have to put behind this, like this one first, then this, so that when we want to use, we use this first, then the other one, because this is new, right, my people, like that. And we have this I think it's called pasta, or what do we call this? Macaroni. I don't know the name. I'm just not. I know the name, but I'm not. Put them up there. I'm arranging them, by the way, because I'm short, guys. Yeah. Then, because we have salt, we put salt here. This is the fork for salt. What's this? This milk, evaporated one. Then this is nice, like cream. We have the cream here. I don't know the cheese. The cream. Oops. Then we have the milk powder. Yeah. Now this milk is for here. You put here, and this one we put here, but later. Now I have to arrange here. The lights are off. fridge lights are off. But anyway, hope you're seeing it, guys. This one is Mrenda. I don't know how they are called in English, but they're called Mrenda. Those the vegetables that you cook and they slide. They slide with you like this. Yeah, also these we put here, then later we will take, like tomorrow when I have time, I'll take them and tengeneza them like that. Then this one, this matawi, they eat. I don't know what to call. I don't know the name. Then this is pepper, green pepper. I don't know it's up here. It's up there. Yeah. And then we have the cabbage and broccoli. Of the broccoli. This is broccoli. It's called broccoli, yeah. Put it there. And the big cabbage. This is cabbage. I love cabbage. Oh, and then it's hard. This one, when you cut small pieces, it's very easy to cut. Yeah. And then what, guys? Then you remember we have our cabbage here, another cabbage. I think we will arrange them here because we still have space. We have a lot of cabbages here. This month we didn't eat cabbage like before. We love cabbage here. I love cooking cabbage, but this month I don't know what happened. And then we have this. We have our lemon here. Our lemon, where will we put our lemon? Here. Yeah, we have a space there. And this is only one. I think we'll just put it here with yeah. Then this one, it's the pilipili. Yeah, and they're still good, by the way. They're still fine. They're still okay. Put it here. We put them here. And we have meshiri. You see this meshiri? You see, that's why I told you this fridge sometimes you see, it's not good, it's bad already. Not all, by the way, but others are bad. Many are bad, yeah, like that. And then now here is where we store our sugar. This white sugar, this sugar. Here we have sugar. Now we have to put the sugar. We throw this. Like this. Sugar. We have this. This is Indomie. This is Indomie. We store here. We just put here. So you have to put in here. Just put here. Yeah, because we just cook from here, so it's good if it's there. And then here it's where we store our soaps. No, I want a space for the Clorox. I don't know how there's no space here, but I will just put a space here. Put a space here. For this, yeah, like that, and also this for this. This is very for cleaning utensils. Yeah. Now I have finished to arrange You see here, it was all, I've cleaned here, yeah. And this is how I arranged my fridge. Though not perfect, but it's good. It's good looking. Yeah, it's good looking, guys. My coffee